I applied to the athletic training program because it blended my passion for both sports and the healthcare field. I grew up playing sports, I grew up watching sports, I absolutely love it. My parents are all nurses, so I knew I wanted to work in the healthcare field.
What drew me to UT was its close proximity to home. I'm from San Antonio and I grew up very family oriented, so only being an hour and a half away from my parents was a huge factor. Additionally, the College of Education and UT have one of the highest academic ratings for their school, and I knew it was one of the best in Texas.
I started off as an exercise science major, and I had taken one of Brian Farr's classes, being care and prevention of athletic injuries. He had mentioned us applying to the athletic training program. What we learn in this program is very hands-on. So I took a decent risk and I applied to the program not knowing what the details were, not knowing how I would enjoy it. And I would say I think that's probably the best decision I've made in my time here so far.
Some of the experiences that the athletic training program has allowed me to gain include working with athletics and getting hands-on evaluations with athletes early. So being able to practice under licensed clinicians allows us to make mistakes and learn actively as opposed to passively, strictly in the classroom.
The athletic training program has shaped me and prepared me for my future by giving me some experience into hands-on clinical aspects and skills that most students don't have the opportunity to learn until they're in their graduate programs or doing internships, so it has really prepared me to be a better clinician in my future.
One of the biggest experiences that I got from this program was being able to work with the Dallas Cowboys this past summer, and I was really able to apply what I learned in this program to that professional setting.
I feel the athletic training program has prepared me for the future by allowing me to gain hands-on experience early on in my academic career so that when I go to a graduate program, I'm experienced and I'm proficient and I'm not learning things for the first time.
After graduation with my College of Education degree, I'm hoping to get into a well-renowned, well-accredited graduate athletic training program. And I'm hoping to apply everything that I learned from this program and from everything I've learned at the school into said graduate program, and hopefully where my career takes me, I aspire to be a collegiate or professional level athletic trainer.
After graduation, I hope to attend a master's in athletic training program to better my career in sports medicine, and this program has prepared me by giving me some hands-on experience, and just our courses themselves, our professors are very knowledgeable, and every day I feel better prepared for my future in the field.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em horns.